Alright guys, today I'm going back to college. I gotta pack my stuff. I gotta get across the border because I'm going back to Superior senior year, baby.
I've been getting used to waking up with you. I've been getting used to waking up here.
You know guys, packing for college really isn't that hard. Since you're leaving for such a long time, I pretty much just bring absolutely everything I see. So if it looks like I might need it, I pack it. That way I know that I will not forget anything. Definitely makes for a full suitcase though.
You're the fire and the flood, and I always feel you in my blood. Everything is fine.
So this is the old lens, and this right here is the new lens that I just got. Old lens, and back to the new lens right here. I think it looks pretty good. Got a bit of a blurred out background effect, and it's just a little wider. So now on to the rest of the video. All right guys, welcome back to the video. I'm back in Superior now. I'm all set up here, and I'm just super excited to making some actual college videos for you guys now. So before I went to college, I didn't know all the little tips and tricks, what to do, what not to do. Now I'm 3 years in, and I would say I've learned a thing or two from my mistakes. So luckily for you guys, I'm gonna be showing you everything I'm doing. I'll tell you what I'm eating, how I'm training, going to school, the time management stuff, and pretty much just show you everything of my last year here at college so that you can learn a few things before you head in yourself. I will give you a little bit of an update of what's all going on here right now. Honestly, it is not a whole lot. I've been here for a week. I've been doing online school, working out by myself because we're waiting one more week until we actually can get together as a team for the skates and the workouts and stuff like that. So my routine right now is pretty different than what it's gonna look like a week from now. And just me mentioning all that to you is gonna be it for this video. I know it was short, but I'll be uploading another one before the end of this week. I just felt like I had to get this message out to you guys. So don't worry, there's gonna be a lot of great content to come. Take care, guys.